Tired of your 9-to-5 job? Dreaming of starting your own online business? Well, we've got something special for you today. We're going to unveil a 30-day plan that could be your ticket to freedom. Yes, freedom from that monotonous 9-to-5 routine that has been stifling your creativity. But why a 30-day plan, you might ask? Well, it's all about breaking down the process into manageable steps. Starting an online business can seem daunting, but when you break it down into bite-sized tasks, it becomes much more achievable. It's like turning a mountain into molehills, each day chipping away a little more until you've reached the top. Picture this. In 30 days, you could have your very own online business up and running. We're talking about a business that could potentially give you greater flexibility and the possibility of passive income. Imagine no more rush hour commutes, no more office politics, and the freedom to work when and where you want. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle that you're truly happy with. It's about waking up each day excited and motivated because you're doing something you love. A 30-day plan might not seem like much, but it could be the start of something extraordinary. By the end of March, you could be on your way to quitting your 9-to-5 job. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into this plan in the next scenes. So, what does this 30-day plan look like? Well, let's dive right in and break it down week by week, step by step. In the first week, your main task is to identify your business idea and target audience. This is the foundation of your online business. You'll need to brainstorm ideas, evaluate them, and finally, choose the one that you're most passionate about and that has potential in the market. It's also crucial to identify your target audience, understand their needs, and figure out how your business can meet those needs. Remember, a business that tries to cater to everyone often ends up appealing to no one. So be specific and strategic in your approach. Moving on to week 2, it's time to build a simple website and create a social media presence. Your website is your online storefront, and it's where potential customers will learn more about your business and what you offer. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. Simultaneously, creating a strong social media presence can help you reach and engage with your target audience. Choose the platforms that your audience uses the most and start sharing valuable, relevant content. In week 3, start promoting your business and building a customer base. This can be done through various marketing strategies such as content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and search engine optimization. The goal is to attract potential customers, convert them into actual customers, and build a loyal customer base. Finally, in week 4, it's time to implement a sales strategy and start generating revenue. This could involve launching a product or service, setting up an online store, or offering a subscription service. It's all about turning your audience into paying customers and driving revenue for your business. And there you have it, a step-by-step plan to kickstart your online business in just 30 days. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves, embrace the hustle, and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Let's do this. Let's recap the main steps of the 30-day plan. We started with the fundamental step of identifying a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your business and where your journey begins. It's crucial to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Next, we moved on to creating a business model. This is your roadmap, guiding you on how to make money from your chosen niche. Whether it's through selling products, offering services, or affiliate marketing, your business model is the engine that drives your business. Then we delved into building a website. Your website is your online storefront, and it's where your customers will interact with your brand. It needs to be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for conversions. We also covered marketing strategies. This is how you attract customers to your website. From SEO to social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising, your marketing strategy is the beacon that draws customers in. Finally, we touched on the importance of consistency and persistence. Success won't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and patience. But every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step towards quitting your 9-to-5 job and starting your own online business today.